So for the infinity scarf that I made in my infinity scarf tutorial, it was with this tweed yarn. And this one was 226 rows. And so once the project is completed, he's 22 inches in length. So I would call this one a medium length infinity scarf. And I believe I had 2 skeins of yarn. So it was about like a skein and a half that made the scarf. And then for the hat, he's 120 rows. And he's 10 inches long once completed. So that takes probably like a half a skein, slightly more, and then I just use the rest of the skein plus the other one to make the scarf. And here's an example of a different one I did. It's a little bit different yarn. I have that up here posted, but I did the hat first. He's 120 rows, so he's 10 inches long. And then I crocheted the gloves. The gloves took up a lot of yarn because I did a shell stitch. And then with just the rest of the yarn, I made a very small infinity scarf. He's 15 inches long and he was 155 rows. It's probably the smallest infinity scarf you could do. Less rows would probably be more on the lines of a cowl that you could make with it as well. But just to show, you can do however many rows you would like depending on how much yarn you have, but you can always definitely do more rows, so then you can wrap it around twice, which is what I'm going to do in a tutorial that I'm working on next. So I hope this helps to show you the different options you can do and be creative with how you want to design your scarf.